Thinking about holding an open house to sell your home? You might want to think again. Every year, sellers are told that open houses will help them find the right buyer, but in reality, open houses benefit agents way more than sellers. Worse yet, they can open the door literally to theft, security risk, and unqualified visitors just looking around. If I were selling my own home or a family member's, I wouldn't do one. After this video, you might feel the same way. Hi, I'm Erica, a real estate expert with over 25 years of experience, and today I'm exposing the truth about open houses. While they might seem like a great way to get your home sold, the reality is very different. I'll break down why open houses don't actually help sellers, why they can be risky, and what you should do instead if you really want to sell your home for top dollar. So let's get into it. Okay, let's start with the biggest myth. Open houses help sell homes. Sounds logical, right? More people walking through should mean more offers. But according to the National Association of Realtors, only about 2% of homes actually sell as a direct result of an open house. That means 98% of the time, they don't make a difference in getting your home sold at all. So if open houses aren't actually selling homes, who benefits from them? The agent. Open houses are one of the best ways for agents to meet new buyers. Buyers who aren't even interested in your home but are looking for an agent to work with. It's essentially free marketing for the agent while you're the one taking all the risk. Now let's talk about something a lot of agents don't mention, the security risks. Again, the National Association of Realtors regularly puts out reports about what gets stolen from open houses, and it's usually small but valuable things: prescription medications, jewelry, electronics, even checkbooks. And here's the worst part: anyone can walk in off of the street. We're now allowed to ask them for a photo ID. We rely on a simple sign in sheet or digital form. So, do you think they're really going to give you their correct contact information? Probably not. Even worse, some thieves use open houses to case a home, checking out the security system, looking for a weak spot, and planning to return later. So when sellers tell me, oh, I'll just lock up my valuables, I say, great, but what about the rest of your home? Here's another reason open houses don't help sellers. Most of the people who come aren't serious buyers. The majority of visitors are curious neighbors. They just want to see how your home compares to theirs. Weekend browsers, people who like looking at homes but have no real intention of buying. Unqualified buyers, maybe they love your home, but they can't actually afford it. Serious buyers, they're already working with an agent and they schedule private showings, not random Sunday open houses. A serious buyer won't wait for an open house. They'll call their agent to see your home as soon as possible. What to do instead? The best way to sell your home? So, if open houses aren't the best strategy, what is? If you want to sell your home quickly and for top dollar, here's what actually works: strategic pricing and professional marketing. Price your home correctly from the start. Invest in high quality photos. Your agent should be doing that. Targeted digital advertising. Instead of hoping for random foot traffic, agents should be actively marketing your home to qualified buyers online. Private showings for pre approved buyers. Serious buyers book showings. This means agents can vet them first, make sure they're actually in a position to make an offer and that they're pre approved. I wouldn't take a buyer out showing them property without making sure they were pre approved first. Look, if open houses actually worked, I'd be all for them. But the truth is, they benefit agents, not sellers. They expose your home to unnecessary risks, bring in people who aren't serious, and don't actually get homes sold. That's why, if I were selling my own home or a friend or family member's, I would never do an open house. Instead, I'd focus on strategies that actually bring in real buyers who are ready to make offers. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever had a strange experience at an open house? Maybe you've been at one before and saw firsthand how ineffective they can be. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more real estate insights, and check out my other videos because that's what really gets homes sold. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video.